Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
When a tornado in Japan failed to turn over a jeep, he quickly found a lighter car. This wedding will definitely be remembered for a long time. The main thing is to think that this is how nature blesses the marriage of the newlyweds. Now this road will become much more dangerous, at least no one was driving on it at that moment.
Cavalli, spingere, guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
A volcanic eruption began in the center of Mexico. A column of ash rose several kilometers, which even caused an ashfall in the nearest settlements. Today, these people do not have to count on the opportunity to leave the house. You must agree that the sky is not so dark here that you can predict a sudden powerful lightning strike.
I got that.
The earthquake in Japan caused other natural phenomena. It caused landslides. Fortunately, these people were unharmed. Hurricane winds are the most common natural disaster. They are dangerous because they damage strong and demolish light structures, break the wires of power lines and communications, break and uproot trees. Hail is often accompanied by strong winds and rain, and its impacts can cause damage to agriculture, cars and buildings. But when hailstones fall into the sea, it's an amazing sight. Watching an avalanche, you feel its power and strength, but you don't want it to fall on your house at all. Rescuers arrived on time and evacuated local residents. Thunderstorms are a familiar and widespread natural phenomenon. Another thing is that lightning can be completely different. This time they are strikingly dissecting the night sky. In such weather, you don't even want to try to go outside. The best way out is to stay in a safe place and wait for the hurricane to subside. Who would have thought that the location of this small guest house would be so unfortunate? This hail in Canada did not spare the cars that were unlucky enough to get under it. When such clouds hang over the city, there is an atmosphere of anxiety and uncertainty in the air, as if the whole life freezes in anticipation of something terrible. The strongest wind scared the inhabitants of India. It tore roofs off houses and destroyed light structures on the streets. I must say that the manufacturer of these windows and the one who installed them did a very good job. In summer, everyone enjoys the presence of a river in the city, but as soon as it leaves its banks, locals face problems. Under the influence of heavy winds, the moist soil is no longer able to hold these trees. Fragments of structures, debris, small stones are the first things that the vortex picks up and whirls. A water tornado is a rare phenomenon, but this time it was possible to capture the process of its formation and movement on the surface of the water. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.